This is the Vivo Y21 and this phone costs about 1,099 cedis in Ghana, which is just about $160. For that price, you get a smartphone, an 18 watts fast charging adapter, a USB-C cable, a clear plastic case, and a pair of wired earphones. So who should buy this phone? Anybody can buy this phone if you don't want to spend more than 1,100 Ghana cedis or about $170 on a smartphone. Uber drivers work with their phone screens on all the time. They have GPS and internet running all the time as well. So they would benefit from a phone which is not so expensive, doesn't drain battery because the screen resolution is also 720p. And it's also very durable. When you buy the Vivo Y21, you get 4 gigs of RAM with either 64 gigs or 128 gigs of storage, and that is plenty for the price. Plus, you can also expand the storage to about 1 terabyte using an SD card. If you live in Ghana or Nigeria, you might have experienced the situation where you took a Bolt or an Uber and you've reached your destination. The driver just needs to swipe to end the trip and they're unable to do so because their phones are extremely slow. Well, you're not going to experience such things when you purchase the Vivo Y21 because it has enough RAM and enough storage to be able to run your daily business needs. Now, in terms of design, I was quite blown away when I first saw this phone. The back of the phone is very beautiful, unique, and catches attention immediately. It's made of plastic at the back and glass in front. Plastic is good because, it's durable. When your phone falls down, you don't need to worry about the phone cracking like the way my iPhone and my Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus have cracked at the back because I'm a very clumsy person. The display of the Vivo Y21 is very good for the price. It's a 60Hz 720p display, which means that it doesn't consume a lot of battery. It has a notch at the top center and it doesn't distract you when you are watching videos on YouTube or scrolling endlessly through social media. In terms of security, this phone comes with a fingerprint sensor embedded in the power button, which is easy to reach and very responsive. On the software side of things, the Vivo Y21 comes with Android 11 and funtouch OS 11.1. It doesn't come with a lot of bloatware, which is something I love about Vivo phones, and the user experience is pretty good as well. You get a lot of customization options when you purchase a Vivo device. Now let's talk about the cameras. This phone has 3 cameras, 1 in front and 2 behind. You have an 8 megapixel selfie camera, which is capable of recording videos at 1080p 30 frames per second. The quality of videos recorded from the selfie camera look like this. Okay, so this is the quality of video you get from the selfie camera of the Vivo Y21 when the environment is not well lit, right? So it tends to kind of like expose for your face, makes your face very bright at the expense of other lights. But when you move into a well lit environment, then you are going to have a really good video quality, which I think it's okay for the price range. Remember, this is about $170, 1,099 Ghana cedis, right? So I think it's okay. You just need to make sure that you have a good source of light to illuminate your face. Then the camera is not going to suffer so badly. Next, we would also look at the quality of video that you get from the rear camera, okay, the rear main shooter. And how's the audio quality too? Is it good? Let me know in the comments below. At the back, you have the main 13 megapixel lens and a 2 megapixel macro lens, no ultra wide and no telephoto. The cameras at the back also record 1080 at 30 frames per second and look like this. Okay, so this is the quality of video you get from the back camera of the Vivo Y21. You can clearly see how it looks like. How's the quality of the audio? How is the exposure of the face against the background? Again, I'm going to walk into a well-lit environment and let's see if it makes any difference at all. So you can see that once you expose your face properly, then you're going to get a very good image. But if there isn't enough light, the camera is going to suffer. But overall, I think it's pretty good quality for the price. What are your thoughts? Let me know in the comments below. So, if you're looking for a phone which is not too expensive but has good storage, RAM, an incredible battery, and you don't care about cameras and the best screen displays, then buy the Vivo Y21. However, if you want something more, add about $100 and buy the Vivo Y53s. I have a review of that phone on the channel and we'll link it in the description below. What are your thoughts on the Vivo Y21? Let me know in the comments below. And thanks, Bebre, for watching.